Today we'll talk about how can you enable news and permissions notifications on your Duolingo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. Then you click here on announcements here. So you will find here news and promotions. Here can you enable it for phone and here for SMS. Like you say, news and promotions notifications enable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. So before I forget, when you want to save it, just click on this sign and you click on it here again. So then you click on down here. Then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.